Okay, so basically, this is the setup. We're gonna turn it on, and you should hear that annoying hum. That's what I'm trying to get rid of. So it's plugged directly into the wall. We'll unplug it. Put this HumX thing in. Put it into the wall. Exactly the same. I've tried it in all different configurations. Sounds the same. Hum's there still. Now we're gonna plug it into this fancy thing down here, which was more money. Same thing. Same exact sound. Doesn't go away. Plug it back into the wall. And then we're adding another cable which should have more noise, but this goes into the Eliminator, this comes out of it. It has slightly less noise. Slightly. So I've tried it in every configuration. I have a bunch of guitars too and a bunch of amps. The only thing that seems to work a little bit is this Pyle mini hum eliminator for me. And people are right when they say it does take off some of the highs and lows. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but difference in sound. They're all going back. Well, maybe I might keep the Pyle, but I don't know if they help anybody. I'd love to see a video where they do. Good luck, guys.
All gone. Works perfect. Try it again. Hear that? All gone. Still guy really works.
And after installing the PHE 400,